Indian Railways, being one of the largest employers in India, offers various opportunities for young engineers across different domains. We will discuss the below points in another 8 minutes. Some of the job roles and opportunities available for young engineers in Indian Railways. How engineers can apply for these vacancies. What are the qualifications for these posts? Here are some of the job roles and opportunities available for young engineers in Indian Railways. Junior Engineer, JE. Job role: Junior engineers work in various departments such as civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, depending on their specialization. Responsibilities: they are responsible for tasks like maintenance, repair, inspection, and construction work related to their respective departments. They also assist senior engineers in project planning and execution. Section Engineer, SE. Job role: section engineers are responsible for more specialized tasks within their departments. Responsibilities: they supervise and manage specific sections of railway projects. They handle tasks such as track maintenance, signaling, electrical installations, etc., depending on their specialization. Assistant Engineer, A. Job role: assistant engineers work closely with senior engineers and assist them in various engineering tasks. Responsibilities: they may be involved in tasks such as project planning, design, estimation, and execution. They also provide technical support and assistance in resolving engineering issues. Deputy Chief Engineer, DCE. Job role: Deputy Chief Engineers hold senior positions within the engineering hierarchy of Indian Railways. Responsibilities: they oversee multiple projects, manage teams of engineers, and ensure that projects are completed within budget and schedule. They also play a key role in strategic planning and decision making. Chief Engineer, CE. Job role: Chief engineers are the highest ranking engineers in Indian Railways. Responsibilities: they are responsible for overall engineering operations, strategic planning, and project management. They provide leadership and direction to engineering teams and ensure that projects meet quality standards and regulatory requirements. Graduate Engineers in Indian Railway Service of Engineers, IRSE. Job role: engineers recruited through the Indian Engineering Services, IES, exam can join the Indian Railway Service of Engineers. Responsibilities: they are involved in various engineering tasks related to railway infrastructure, including design, construction, maintenance, and project management. Research and development, R&D, opportunities. Indian Railways also offers opportunities for engineers to work in research and development projects aimed at improving railway technology, safety, and efficiency. These are just a few examples of the opportunities available for young engineers in Indian Railways. The organization offers a wide range of roles and career paths for engineers to explore and grow within the railway industry. Engineers interested in applying for vacancies in Indian Railways can follow these general steps. Check official notifications. Keep an eye on official notifications released by Indian Railways through their official website, https://indianrailways.gov.in/closing parenthesis or employment news portals. These notifications contain detailed information about vacancies, eligibility criteria, application procedures, and important dates. Eligibility criteria: review the eligibility criteria specified in the job notification to ensure you meet the educational qualifications, age limits, and other requirements specified for the position you are interested in. Online application: most recruitment processes in Indian Railways are conducted online. Visit the official website of the Railway Recruitment Board, RRB, or Railway Recruitment Cell, RRC, responsible for the region where the vacancy is located. Register on the website and fill out the online application form carefully with accurate details. Application fee: pay the required application fee, if applicable, through the specified online mode. Fee exemptions may be available for certain categories as per government rules. Upload documents: upload scanned copies of necessary documents such as educational certificates, identity proof, caste certificate, if applicable, and recent passport-sized photograph as per the specifications mentioned in the notification. Submit application: after filling out the application form and uploading documents, review all the details entered to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, submit the application form online before the specified deadline. Admit card: after successful submission of the application, candidates will receive an admit card for the examination, if applicable, through the registered email or by downloading it from the official website. Admit cards contain details about the exam date, venue, and other important instructions. Examination: depending on the recruitment process, candidates may have to undergo a written examination, computer-based test, CBT, or interview. Prepare thoroughly for the examination by studying relevant topics, practicing previous year's question papers, and staying updated with current affairs. Results and further process. After the examination, results will be announced on the official website. Shortlisted candidates will be called for further stages of the selection process, which may include document verification, physical efficiency test, PET, medical examination, and/or interview. Joining formalities, candidates who successfully clear all stages of the selection process will receive an offer of appointment from Indian Railways. Follow the instructions provided in the offer letter regarding joining formalities, document submission, and other necessary procedures. It's important to regularly check the official websites of Indian Railways and respective railway recruitment boards, RRBs, or railway recruitment cells, RRCs, for the latest updates and notifications regarding vacancies and recruitment processes. The qualifications required for engineering posts in Indian Railways vary depending on the specific position and department. However, here are the general educational qualifications typically required for various engineering posts. Junior Engineer, JE. Educational qualification. Candidates must have a minimum qualification of a diploma in engineering in relevant disciplines such as civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, etc. Some positions may require a degree in engineering from a recognized university or institution. Section Engineer, say. Educational qualification. Candidates must have a bachelor's degree in engineering, BE, B, Tech, in relevant disciplines such as civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, etc. from a recognized university or institution. Assistant Engineer, A. Educational qualification. Similar to Section Engineer, candidates must have a bachelor's degree in engineering, BE, B, Tech, in relevant disciplines from a recognized university or institution. Deputy Chief Engineer, DCE, and Chief Engineer, CE. Educational qualification. These senior positions typically require a bachelor's degree in engineering, BE, B, Tech, in relevant disciplines along with significant experience in the field. A master's degree in engineering or related field may be preferred for higher ranking positions. Indian Railway Service of Engineers, IRSE. Educational qualification. Engineers recruited through the Indian Engineering Services, IES, exam to join the Indian Railway Service of Engineers must have a bachelor's degree in engineering, BE, B, Tech, in relevant disciplines from a recognized university or institution. It's important to note that specific educational qualifications, as well as other eligibility criteria such as age limits, experience requirements, and physical standards, may vary for different engineering posts within Indian Railways. Candidates are advised to refer to the official notifications and job advertisements issued by the Railway Recruitment Boards, RRBs, or Railway Recruitment Cells, RRCs, for detailed information on qualifications and eligibility criteria for specific positions.